Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo, Extra Hot Forex. So it's Thursday, so let's go straight to NASDAQ, US30 and gold. This is our daily analysis, guys. So if you want to talk to me, here are my WhatsApp. Check the screen. You can post the screen, then you know what to do. So this is NASDAQ is 4-hour time frame, guys. So I just want to show you some few moves that you can understand before we can even go to a bit smaller time frame. Look here, we had a very nice move going up like this. So this is a change of a move. It's a downtrend. The market was just going up. So from here, the market was just going up again. You can see that actually the market from here, the market changed the move. We can see the market broke this support. Now it's on below here. So it means it's possible that the market can create something like this going lower, or maybe the market can just create another maybe this will be like short-lived downtrend. Just want to show you that it's only one candlestick. Maybe this will be only short-lived downtrend, then the market is now pushing higher. So every time you should see those things happening even before they even happen, because if you see this is now actually, since we've broken this support, actually it seems like this is a retest. Maybe the market is about to go lower. You see that? I hope you see that, because the market here was just going like that, here was going like that, here was just going up. So it means even here the market can create something like that. Maybe we'll see another one creating something like this until it moves like that. You see, but that we can be wrong. So the market, it's possible that the market can still push higher. So what do we expect here? But with this, let me zoom that again. With this consolidation, guys, I'm really afraid that maybe we might see another sell-off, or maybe a very impulsive or maybe aggressive move going higher, because you can see this 4-hour candlesticks. Look what happens here. They just consolidate, guys. They just consolidate. If you draw maybe your lines, you'll get like a wedge, something like that. So it means we are stuck in this wedge for now. Then we can see a breakout going lower or going up. So it means we are on a good position at the moment. Whether the market will, at the moment, we just have to wait for that breakout. We can't take chances and say once we see a breakout we just jump on it. We just have to wait for a retest before we take that, because sometimes, I think yesterday we tried to take a trade, then the market just went lower, then after that the market just kept going up. So on a bigger picture, I see that okay, the market was just consolidating. You see, the market was just consolidating. Sometimes when you're wrong, guys. Don't act like you're smart. No one is a guru in this market. We go wrong, but the best thing is we make sure that we cut our losses short and we trail our profits. You see, so this is a nice wedge, which it means we're waiting for a breakout, whether on this support or resistance. It means if we break the support, the market will be going lower. Then if it's a resistance, the market will be going up. Still, we have a resistance here. It's around like 15, 12, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, it's like 15, 160, 15, 160 somewhere here. That will be our resistance. You see, around here, this will be like our support zone. It's like 14,800. If maybe the market, if the market is going to keep going lower, we can expect the market to bounce around those areas. So let's do what we do good. Let's just draw. Okay, this was supposed to be like this. Yeah, this was supposed to be like this. So let's just draw our trend lines and see what we can get from this, because the market is just playing around with us. So we just have to make sure we are always doing the right thing. So I can see here, let's draw another one, this one like this. So I'm not going to touch this ones because we already passed that. So it means I can only draw maybe this resistance here. So what can we do from here? Let me just add another. Let me change this and make it a line. So let's go a bit to a smaller time frame. I just want to see closer. What are we doing? You see, it seems like we're doing good. So actually this is a wedge, which means we just need to make sure this is supposed to be here and this is supposed to be like a bit higher. So we can even go to a smaller time frame like 1 hour, so that we can see exactly what's really happening. Place this one a bit closer, and this one should be like this. Yeah, you see now we have some good stuff. So here it's a wedge, guys. You can see the market was just consolidating, or maybe you can just throw something like this and say maybe the market is pushing up. That can also be something on your analysis, but I did this wedge because we have a support, a resistance here, you see. So it means since the market is not breaking this area, so it means we throw that as a wedge. So it means now the market has to break this area before we can say we can have that nice buy, you see, or else maybe we can see a sell-off from this area. So you don't have to complicate things. This way it's how you're going to trade easy. If the market breaks, you wait for a retest. If it breaks here, you wait for a retest. Then it's where you're going to apply your trading plan, your lot sizes, your stop losses, where should you take place your take profits, stuff like that. But the basics is, especially when you wait for the market to create a certain structure before you apply those things. You see, those things, they should happen when you already identified your entries. You see, you should like able to identify your entries, you see, and you should do that consistently, guys, because there's people who are consistent, but in the opposite way, they are consistent in losing, you see. Because if you see yourself losing now and then, it means you are consistent in the wrong way. Actually, you are just losing. So you should change the formula, flip it around, and try to be consistent in winning. You see, winning is not easy. That's why we just have to learn other things. So now we are on US30, guys. So let's go to a bit smaller time frame. So we are on 4 hour time frame now. It's US30. Let me just make this auto. So I have drawn this yesterday, just to show. I was just showing my student the possibilities that can happen, since we have like this support, resistance, and from here we have a wedge. Actually, there's possibility that the market can still sell off, you see, but for us to sell, this support must be broken, because the market also created an inner support, you see. So it means for us to sell, we can say now we have to break this area before we can say we sell. It's either you wait for a retest, or you just wait like maybe 2 candlesticks, then you can say now the market is going lower, then the market can keep going lower. If that doesn't happen, it means maybe the market will break this resistance here. Then you can just wait for a retest or 2 candlesticks which are bullish, then you can just jump on it. Don't jump on the market when it's still here. The market plays around like that. So if you think the market will break, it can just give you fake moves. Then when you jump, then the market will just go lower, and you start to say maybe the broker was watching. No, there is no broker that can just watch you when you don't even have like 2 million or something like that. So they don't really care about your cents. So they already make money with their spreads, their commissions, stuff like that. So they don't really care much about what you do. And remember, we are so many who are trading, so it means you just won't be a target. So don't let people lie to you and say, hey, the broker did this to me, whatever. yeah, maybe they can just take time to give you the withdrawals, but they won't mess around with your trade. You see, don't say market just turned here. Yeah, there's other brokers who do that, but please find the regulated brokers out there. I don't really tell people which broker they can get. Just go out there, find a nice broker that you think. You just make your, or just find a reputable broker. There's brokers all over, guys, which you can just search and find them within 5 minutes on Google. So yeah, so here today actually we just waiting for the market to break out of this wedge. That's all we're waiting for. You see, that's all we're waiting for. So guys, I have the special for the system, so let me show you that. Yeah, okay, you can see here is the system, guys. It's now $35, but for a limited time, for only 20 people. This, I think now we left with like almost 15 people to join. 5 people already joined yesterday, so this price is going to go back to $50. Here are my contacts, WhatsApp me. So the system looks like this. Let me show you that. No, this are our profits. The system looks like this. So it's where you're going to enjoy your trading. You wait for double arrows. Then when you get the system, I will just tell you what to do. Then easy as that. So you just get your own signals without anyone telling you what to do. You see. So yeah, let's go back to US30. I think on US30 we're done. We're just waiting for the market to break. So if it doesn't break, then it's fine. We will just wait here until we see a breakout, whether on a resistance or on a support. But let's go straight to gold and see what's really happening at the moment. Okay, here we are on gold, guys. So gold is that you see I've thrown these things yesterday, and you know what, we just missed this breakout, but we can still wait for a retest before we get another entry. Guys, we do sleep because we sleep late, so I have to sleep like, yeah, enough. So now the market broke here. I did not see that. It's fine. Then it means we can just wait for a retest. You see, because here when the market closes above, maybe you can wait another candlestick, but the third one, it shows you that, okay, this thing is bullish. You can just jump on it, or you can just do something like this. You see the market was just respecting these areas and say, when the market bounces back, I'm going to take it there. Sometimes people, they wait for the market to come around here. They focus around this resistance and say maybe the market will come there. Sometimes the market won't do that. The market can respect this and go up like that. So we can expect a small resistance or retest. Sorry, not a resistance, a rejection or a retest. So if that doesn't happen, it's also fine, guys, because we can just get each and every trade or any opportunity of anything that we do. So sometimes we miss some, but there's other ones that we also don't miss, you see. So guys, if you want to talk to me, you already know what to do. WhatsApp me, Telegram me, check the description, you will find everything. Then it's how you can find me. If you want to be in the group, you know what to do. We have special, there's $15 group, only NASDAQ 100, US30 and gold. It's only $15. It's only signals. We also have $25. It's VIP, where you get everything, German 30s, stuff like that, currency pairs, gold, all mixed up in one thing. And the system is $35. If you want to talk to me, you know what to do. This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. Bye.